Now what we will find the inverse by elementary transformation, and that too by a row operation for a 3 by 3 matrix. Very important question. Sometimes it is asked for 6 marks. So very important, whatever steps I do, everybody is supposed to follow all those steps. So first thing, if I am doing it by elementary row transformation, I'll write first thing A is equal to IA, which nobody will miss. Very important. So I'll write the matrix A, identity, since it is 3 by 3, so we are writing 3 by 3 identity matrix. Now, what we have, what do you observe? Again, the same procedure we have to follow. We have to make this particular as 1, this as 1, this as 1, and the rest of the elements as 0. So that it can be changed to identity matrix, and again I will get the inverse. Now, to make this 1, over here again we have two methods. One is if I divide it by 3, and the other method is if I subtract 2 from it. So both the methods are applicable. So first step is either to divide or to subtract. So if we have already done the divide procedure, so I'll subtract now. So first step, you can either write R1 again. Now how we will proceed, let me tell you. First of all, whatever I have marked as 1, so what I'll keep in mind, we will move like this. So first I'll make this as 1 and then these two elements as 0. Then next I'll make this as 1, these two elements as 0. Next I'll make this as 1 and these two elements as 0. So what we have to remember, we have to make 1 first, and using that 1 we have to make other two zeros in. We will be moving column wise. So first column 1, then these two 0, then this column 1, these two 0, then this column 1, these two 0. If you follow this particular pattern, whatever terms you have changed before will not change. So this is what we want. Otherwise you will be entangled in the mess and it will be difficult for you to come out of it. So everybody is supposed to follow this particular method. So first step, what I will do is I will make 3 as 1. How can I make 3 as 1? If I write R1 minus R2, or I can write R1 divided by 3. Both the steps are applicable. So I will do the minus 1. So this is 3 minus 2 for all the elements. So rest of the elements you can quickly write as it is. So we don't waste time and we don't have to, will not be doing any error. So first 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 1, minus 0 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 is minus 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So first element done. Now if I move on to second. Now second and third we have to make 0 using 1. So both the steps I can do together. I can write this as 0 when I subtract 2 from it. So 2 should be with respect to R1, and similarly this can be 0 if I subtract 3 from it, and that too with respect to R1. So everybody has to remember, for all the questions we will be following this particular technique. First of all we will make 1 either by subtraction, addition or division, multiplication. Then we will make 2 zeros using this particular operation. Here only the numbers will change depending on the numbers here, and the signs will change depending on the signs over here. So everybody will do this particular step. Now let's quickly calculate what we are getting. So before that, let's quickly write R1, because that is not changing. So 1 minus 1, 0. So first of all we will write R2 elements. So let's do the calculation for R2 elements. So R2, this whatever we have thought to be 0, we will write that as 0. We will not do calculation for that particular thing. Now for R2, I will take the second element 0. So I will write 0 over there. 0 minus 2 into minus 1. Everybody is supposed to do it on paper, rough work, and then put the value over there. Then with practice try to master it doing orally. So plus 2. So over there, because even if one value is wrong, the whole question will be wrong. So it is plus 2. Then next step is minus 1. So next number is minus 1. So I will take minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1. So minus 1 plus 2, it will be plus 1 over here. Next element, what do I have? Next element is 0. So I will write 0 minus 2. So it is minus 2. So I will write minus 2 over here. Then next element is 1. So I will write 1 minus 2 into minus 1. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. So I will write 3 over there. For this it is 0 and 0. So we will write simply 0. Next, R3, this we have already thought of, so we will write it as 0. Next, what we will do? We will change this particular thing. So what we have, so I'll write in place of R3, this operation we are using. So R3 is minus 5, corresponding to that minus 1. So minus 3 into minus 1. So minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2. So I'll write minus 2 over here. Then what is the next element for R3? 0. So I'll write 0 minus 3 into what is R1? Minus 1. So I'll write minus 1. So minus 3 into minus 1, it is plus 3. Then the same applies to this. R3 is 0 minus 1 into 3. So minus 3. 0 into minus 1. So it will be plus 3. And 1 into 0. This will be 1. 1 minus 3 into 0 will be 1. So this is what I have got. So what do you observe? Up till this step you will be getting 2 marks if it is a 6 marker question. So very important that you have to do each and every calculation accurately, and I'll give you the suggestion that you do it on paper and afterwards you can do it with practice, you can do it orally. Now what is the next step that we have to do? Next step is to make this particular thing as 1. One more thing is there. If you add in some of the questions, you will observe if you add directly, you will get 0 over there. But I'll suggest you for some of the questions it will give you. But for many questions again, then you will be entangled. So what is best? You just make this particular element as 1. So how can we make this as 1? So R2 such that R2 divided by 2. So we will always have this particular step. First of all, we'll have divide, then plus minus, again divide. So I'll make this as 1 quickly. So we will write the rest of the elements will be same. I'll do it here. So rest of the elements will be same. So we'll quickly write, only this will be divided by 2 and this will be as it is. So over here also minus 1, 3 by 2, 0, minus 3, 3, 1 and this A as it is. Okay, now, so we have divided by 2, so we have got this as 1. Now we have to make these two 0. So what operation comes to my mind? If I add these two, this will be 0. So we will write R1 such that R1 plus R2, and for R3, R3 has to be 0. This is minus 2. If I add plus 2 to it, so it will be plus 2 times of R2. See here, R1 was 1, so we used R1 at both the places. R2 is 1, so we are using R2 at both the places. These operations will be same in all the questions with the difference of the constant terms and the signs. So again, what I will get? I will write R2 as it is for both the questions, for both the sides over here. So first of all, we will do R1. This will not change. Minus 1 plus, we thought of this as 0, this also as 0. So we will quickly write that particular thing, not waste time in calculating that. Then this is minus 1. R1 is minus 1 plus half. Minus 1 plus half will give you minus half. Similarly over here, 1 minus 1 will give you 0. Minus 1 plus 3 by 2 will give you, just do the calculation, minus 1 plus 3 by 2 will give you 1 by 2. And 0 plus 0 will give you 0. So R1 is true. Now let's move on to R3. So R3 I will do from here. So R3 I will write 3 over there. So what we have, we will have R3 is 3 plus 2 times of 1 by 2. Corresponding element for this R3 is this 1 by 2. So it will be 3 plus 1, that is 4. So I will write 4 over here. Now let's move on to this. So it is minus 3 plus 2 times the corresponding value is minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So I will write minus 5 over here. Then R3 next is 3 plus 2 times of 3 by 2. So we will cancel, 3 plus 3 is 6. So I will write 6 over there. And then 1 plus 0 times, so it will be 1 only. Now, so we have almost redone 2 columns. Now let's move on to the third. Now again, what is the next step? To make this as 1. So again, to make anything as 1, we have to divide that particular thing by that particular constant. So R3 will be divided by 4. So now once I divide R3 by 4, so rest of the things will be same. We'll write it quickly, and these will also be same because the change is only in R3. So let's quickly write the rest of the things. So this, if I divide by 4, this will be minus 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 1 by 4, and this is A over there. Now what we have to do? We have to make these two elements 0. So how can I make these two elements 0? So what I'll do, half, if half is there, I need to subtract minus half. If minus half is there, I need to add. So I'll write R2 such have R3 is 3 plus 2 times of 1 by 2. Corresponding element for this R3 is this 1 by 2. So it will be 3 plus 1, that is 4. So I'll write 4 over here. Now let's move on to this. So it is minus 3 plus 2 times the corresponding value is minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So I'll write minus 5 over here. Then R3 next is 3 plus 2 times of 3 by 2. So we'll cancel 3 plus 3 is 6. So I'll write 6 over there. And then 1 plus 0 times. So it will be 1 only. Now, so we have almost redone 2 columns. Now let's move on to the third. Now again, what is the next step? To make this as 1. So again, to make anything as 1, we have to divide that particular thing by that particular constant. So R3 will be divided by 4. So now once I divide R3 by 4, so rest of the things will be same. We'll write it quickly, and these will also be same because the change is only in R3. So let's quickly write the rest of the things. So this, if I divide by 4, this will be minus 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 1 by 4, and this is A over there. Now what we have to do? We have to make these two elements 0. So how can I make these two elements 0? So what I'll do, half, if half is there, I need to subtract minus half. If minus half is there, I need to add. So I'll write R2 such that R2 plus half times of R3 and R1 such that R1, sorry, over here I will write minus 1 by. To make this particular R2 0, what I will do is I'll write R2 minus 1 by 2 of R3 because this is plus 1 by 2, so I need to subtract minus 1 by 2, and this is minus 1 by 2, so I need to add 1 by 2. So what do we observe? Here R2 was 1, so we were adding R2. Here R3 is 1, so again we are subtracting and adding R3. So what is the first step? To divide, next plus minus, then divide, then plus minus, then divide, then plus minus. This is the last step. So you will observe then in 6 steps we will be able to do this particular question. So now let's quickly write the values. So what values we will be getting? Over here I'll get R3 will be same. So we will write R3 as it is. Minus 5 by 4, 6 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2. We reduce 1 by 4. Now let's do the calculation for R2 first. So over here I can quickly write everything because these are the things which I have kept in mind. I'll do the calculation only for this particular part. So what we have R2, first element is minus 1. So I'll write minus 1. I can write minus 1 here. So minus 1 minus 1 by 2 times of R3. So what is the corresponding R3? Minus 5 by 4. So minus 1 plus 5 by 8. So that is minus 3 by 8. So I'll write the value minus 3 by 8. Now what is the next thing? What is the next R2? Next R2 is 3 by 2. So I'll write 3 by 2. What is the corresponding R3? 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4. So if I subtract, what will I get? That is again 3 by 4. So what I'll get? I'll write 3 by 4 over here. When you will reach to this particular step, the calculation will appear to be complicated. But if you do it stepwise and neatly, you will ultimately arrive at a final answer. What is the next thing? R2 is 0. So 0 minus 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. So that is minus 1 by 8. So I'll write it as minus 1 by 8. So R2 is done. Now I'll do for R1. What is the first element for R1? That is 0. So 0, I'll write it as 0 plus 1 by 2 of minus 5 by 4. So it is minus 5 by 8. So we will have it as minus 5 by 8. What is the next thing? That is 1 by 2. So I'll write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 of 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, again this is 2 plus 3, 5 by 4. So I'll write it as 5 by 4. Then what is the next thing? 0. So I'll write 0 plus 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. So what is it? 1 by 8. This is A over there. So what do we observe? We have got it as identity into a matrix B into I. Again the same way. So we can say A inverse is B, which is this particular answer over here. Minus 5 by 8, minus 3 by 8, minus 5 by 4, 5 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 2, 1 by 8, minus 1 by 8, 1 by 4. Hence the answer. So everybody is supposed to write in this particular step